Good morning students. Today we will discuss difference between forward contract and future contracts. Forward contracts. A forward contract is an agreement to buy or sell an asset at pre-decided price quoted at present at future date. These contracts are obligation for both of the parties. Features. These are bilateral contracts. These are exposed to counterparty risk since there is no exchange guarantee involved. Third is customized. These contracts are customized in terms of contract size, expiry date, and asset type and quality. Price is not available in public domain. For these contracts, forward rate can be used as a reference price. These contracts are settled by delivery of asset on expiry date. Future contracts. Future contracts are agreement listed on future exchange to buy or sell an asset at pre-decided price at forward rate at future date. These contracts are also obligation for both of the parties. Features. These contracts are standardized in nature and cannot be modified in any way. These contracts have pre-decided size and pre-decided expiry dates as per the future exchange. These contracts are traded on future exchange through brokers or over the counter. These contracts are marked to the market daily. Settlement of gain or losses realized from the margin money deposited by the parties at the time of agreement. There is no credit risk since these contracts are guaranteed by future exchange clearing house. These contracts have specific settlement date. Now come difference between forward contract and future contracts. Definition. A forward contract is an agreement between two parties to buy or sell an asset at a pre-agreed future date at a pre-specified price, whereas a future contract is a standardized contract traded on a future exchange to buy or sell a certain underlying instrument at a certain date in future at a specified price. Structure. Forward contracts are customized to the customer needs, whereas future contracts are standardized as per the exchange on which they are being traded. In case of forward contracts, there is no initial payment is being made, whereas in case of future contracts, initial margin money is required which is used for daily margin settlement. Purpose. Forward contracts are usually used for the hedging purpose, whereas future contracts are usually used for speculation. Transaction method. Forward contracts are directly negotiated between buyer and seller, whereas future contracts are quoted and traded on some future exchange. Market regulation. Forward contracts are not regulated by market, whereas future contracts are regulated by government bodies. Institutional guarantee. In case of forward contracts, there is no guarantee by any institution, whereas in case of future contracts, there is clearing house of the future exchange which takes the guarantee of the contract. Risk. In case of forward contracts, there is high counterparty risk, whereas in case of future contracts, there is low party risk. Next is guarantee. In case of forward contracts, there is no guarantee of settlement before maturity, whereas in case of future contracts, both parties must deposit an initial amount which is used for daily settlement of profit and losses. Contract maturity. In case of forward contracts, delivery of asset take place at maturity, whereas in case of future contracts, delivery of asset may not take place at maturity. It may be possible that only margin settlement is being done. Expiry date. In case of forward contracts, expiry date depends on transaction, whereas in case of future contracts, expiry date is standardized. It is on third Wednesday in March, June, September and December. Method of pre-termination. In case of forward contracts, parties can enter in opposite contract with same or the different counterparty. Counterparty risk remains while terminating with different counterparty. Whereas in case of future contracts, parties can enter into opposite position on the future exchange. Contract size. In case of forward contract, size of contract is customized, depends on the requirement of parties. Whereas in case of future contracts, the size of contract is standardized.